أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from the evil one, the rejected. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وقال الذين كفروا أإذا كنا ترابا وآباؤنا أإنا لمخرجون. The unbelievers say, what? When we become dust, we and our fathers, shall we really be raised from the dead? لقد أوعدنا هذا نحن وآباؤنا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين. It is true, we were promised this, we and our fathers before us. These are nothing but tales of the ancients. قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين. Say, go you through the earth and see what has been the end of those guilty of sin. ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تكن في ضيق مما يمكرون. But grieve not over them, nor distress thyself because of their plots. ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين. They also say, when will this promise come to pass? Say, if you are truthful. قل عسى أن يكون ردف لكم بعض الذي تستعجلون. Say, it may be that some of the events which you wish to hasten on may be close in your pursuit. وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَذُو فَضْلٍ عَلَى النَّاسِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ. But verily thy Lord is full of grace to mankind, yet most of them are ungrateful. وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَيَعْلَمُ مَا تُكِنُّ صُدُورُهُمْ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ. And verily thy Lord knoweth all that their hearts do hide, as well as all that they reveal. وَمَا مِنْ غَائِبَةٍ فِي السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ. Nor is there aught of the unseen in heaven or earth, but is recorded in a clear record. إن هذا القرآن يقص على بني إسرائيل أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون. Verily this Quran doth explain to the children of Israel most of the matters in which they disagree. وَإِنَّهُ لَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. And it certainly is a guide and mercy to those who believe. إِنَّ رَبَّكَ يَقْضِي بَيْنَهُمْ بِحُكْمِهِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْعَلِيمُ. Verily thy Lord will decide between them by his decree, and He is exalted in might, all-knowing. فَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّكَ عَلَى الْحَقِّ الْمُبِينِ. So put thy trust in Allah, for thou art on the path of manifest truth. إنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين. Truly, thou canst not cause the dead to listen, nor canst thou cause the deaf to hear the call, especially when they turn back in retreat. وَمَا أَنْتَ بِهَادِ الْعُمْيِ عَنْ جَلَالَتِهِمْ إِن تُسْمِعُ إِلَّا مَنْ يُؤْمِنُ بِآيَاتِنَا فَهُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ. Nor canst thou be a guide to the blind, to prevent them from straying. Only those wilt thou get to listen who believe in our signs, and they will bow in Islam. وَإِذَا وَقَعَ الْقَوْلُ عَلَيْهِمْ أَخْرَجْنَا لَهُمْ دَابَّةً مِّنَ الْأَرْضِ تُكَلِّمُهُمْ أَنَّ النَّاسَ كَانُوا بِآيَاتِنَا لَا يُوقِنُونَ. And when the word is fulfilled against them, the unjust, we shall produce from the earth a beast to face them. He will speak to them. He will speak to them. For that mankind did not believe with assurance in our signs. صدق الله العظيم.